When the weather outside is frightful, reach for our baby snowpile jacket and watch even the slushiest days turn delightful. The 100% recycled shell fabric meets our tough H2No performance standard for protection that's waterproof and breathable. Fully sealed seams and a durable, water-repellent coating make this jacket tough enough for serious winter play. And it has been made without PFCs, also known as PFAS or forever chemicals. This includes the fabric's membrane and durable water-repellent finish. On the coldest days, 150-gram thermogreen recycled polyester insulation, a 3-panel hood, and soft polyester knit lining at the back, neck, and zipper garage keep kiddos extra cozy. With front elastic, the drop-tail hem sits close to the body to keep out the chill. And if the forecast does lighten up, that hood snaps off easily. Ski lift passes easily stow in a left sleeve pocket, and other goodies, or hands, can drop into 2 front pockets with hook and loop closures. Elasticized grow-fit cuffs easily extend sleeves by 1 1/4 inches as kids grow. And you'll likely use that hand-it-down label because the baby snowpile jacket is made to last for many winters to come.